Yeah, so I have some good news from the camp of Wendy Shay. Yeah, so Wendy Shay has finally gotten her video reinstated on YouTube after it was pulled down by YouTube. Okay, guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As I always say, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so Wendy Shay has actually given us another side of her saying that, or which means that she's never going to give up when people come at her or come for her. Yeah, so some few days ago when Ishay's video was pulled down for being alleged that people are saying that her song resemble that of Master KG of South Africa. That's his Jerusalem song. And those who are town viewers of our channel realize that some few days ago I did a video giving you guys the nitty-gritties. Yeah, so as I said, the video was pulled down because of copyright related issues. People saying that the chord or the progression arrangement of the song is similar to that of Master KG, and the song or the title of the song is Pray to the World. And when she was like, no Charlie, a lot of investment has gone into this particular song and video, and it's rather unfair, or it's unfair for people to report the video, or for YouTube to take the video down. Therefore her team and also her lawyers are working around the clock to get the video instated. People think she was joking, but lo and behold, when she has proved her critics wrong by making sure that the video has been, if you go on YouTube now and search for Pray to the World when she, you'll see the video live on the Rough Town Records YouTube page. And I would like to big up when she and also her team, especially her lawyers, as she said, for doing a human job, because the kind of song or the kind of mind that goes into a song is not easy. Therefore, if your hard work goes down the drain, it's very, very painful. And she has actually proved to the world that if you really fight for what belongs to you, you're going to get it. Yeah, so when she took to Instagram to actually make the announcement, and this is what she actually posted on her Instagram page. She said that, thank God, after an intense scrutiny from YouTube, finally the verdict says that Pray for the World wasn't stolen and doesn't reflect Jerusalem. Thank you, GH fans and all who showed concern. Pray for the World is back on YouTube and available on all digital platforms. Shay Gang, we won. Ghana stand up. And then she actually made a post with a caption. The caption actually read that Shay Gang, we won. Yes, we move. SG, your queen never stole any song. Pray for the World is back on YouTube and all digital platform. Please, all the bloggers who posted it when it was taken down, can you let the world know it's back on YouTube? Let's push positive news too. Thank you, Ghana. Stand up. Pray for the World is back. Yes, so when she admonished Ghanaian bloggers who actually posted or broke the news of the video being taken down to also re-echo or actually inform their audience or their readers that hey, the video is back and therefore they should go and stream, which is actually a good thing to do. Yes, so as I said, I'd like to big up the team of Wendy Shay for working close and also working hard around the clock to get a video back, because as I said, a lot of time and investment goes into videos and also even in songs and all that. Yes, so guys, so this has been the latest news from the camp of Wendy Shay. Also, this has been the end of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at Odate. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.